I don't know where my other beanie went.
Up in Adam. Up in Adam early in the morning. The boys.
What's up?
The Martian Man. Got the coffee brewing for the gang, you know. Gonna add some hot cocoa to it if it we're using some old ground, so we're gonna see if that's gonna work out. I don't know, what are the chances it works out? Well, a double over of some old grounds. Anyways, our original gang, everybody else left us. They went to use Wi-Fi and, you know, be connected to other civilization, but we don't need that. We don't need none of that.
We don't need none of that. Yeah, we're just part of the moon landing.
No service on the moon. Wi-Fi fiends, huh? Wi-Fi fiends. Get out the car, huh? How's Wi-Fi?
How's Wi-Fi? It was refreshing.
Refreshing?
Where did y'all go?
We went to Wi-Fi. I didn't even get any Wi-Fi.
It's crazy to me that people say like people up there are like just mean, like you can't talk to them.
They are, dude. People are dicks.
How they coming out? What are your favorite ones?
I held the door open for someone in New York and
Isaac.
I didn't know how to handle it.
Really?
Yeah, I was like holding it open and they just like stopped. Go ahead.
Thinking about buying this shirt. Pretty chill, but you know. What's the price? What's the price? How much that cost? One for 20?
Yeah.
That means this shirt has to be less than 20 bucks.
Yeah, sure.
35 bucks for a shirt? Ain't no way.
My brother collects them.
Inspect the
Fuck you,
shirt.
dude. I know I've been here.
Is it worth the price?
Look at me. Look at me.
This one's worth.
Not worth $30. No way.
Dropped it like.
Yeah, literally as we like it literally just got clear and we passed it and we just like fucking bumped it and it was just like.
What's paracord?
You got something to say?
Like 540 cord.
Do I got something to say? I got a dip in right now. I don't got nothing to say. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We keep the cheek there. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
I don't know the next verse. I have no idea how it
Dude,
starts.
there has to be a song we know.
Survival.
Oh, my feet are wet now. No.
Damn, on the whites.
Damn, I looked right.
Some honey. What the flavor was it? Honey?
The other one's on this one. Sea salt, cracked pepper. It's good.
Sweating.
Yeah.
I gotta dip in.
Understandable. Yeah.
Look up. Like the
What?
place.
I heard that.
Yeah. Dude, I want to kayak down this river so bad. Look at this canoe coming through the ravine. So high up.
We are. That fall was just.
Stop. It's giving.
Do you think if
Dude, it makes my fucking balls seem more like.
you jump, do you think if you jump you could hit water?
No way.
You don't think so?
No way.
But tell me that wouldn't be cool. Just have a little kayak trip.
Yeah.
Made it to what? Buffalo's point?
Big Bluff. Big Bluff.
Big Buff. This is it.
Big
Bluff.
Big Bluff. The trail's called
Big Bluff.
Big
Dude, you shake the journal.
Bob Boris Buffalo.
Big Bob.
And that's Buffalo
Big
River.
bad Bob Boris Buffalo.
Buffalo River.
Bitch.
Bitch. I'll make sure he sees this one.
Yeah.
He's in class, Bob. So I just flew my drone again, but as you can see, I'm somewhere different. I'm somewhere more dangerous. As you can see, try to take off from these surfaces, and I flew my drone out there. And I have to say, flying a drone takes expertise, takes practice. You have to literally like practice in your neighborhood before you think you can come fly out here. I'm honestly surprised I haven't broken yet. I broke it the first day that I bought it, as you can see right there, a little crack, because the instruction manual didn't have thorough instructions in it at all. So that's the review I'm going to leave on Amazon, that the instruction manual was a piece of shit and I had to find one online. But we're out here just enjoying nature, and you know, just really having time to think to ourselves as we enjoy this trip. Have a lot of quiet spaces in my head that I like to enjoy, because you know, my thoughts are just clear out here. It's nice to be out here with nature. Work equals force times distance, right? I weigh 205 pounds. All these guys I'm camping with, except one of them, all weigh less than me. That's why I tell myself as I trail along on these trails, I'm lagging behind because I weigh more, right? I gotta do more work than them. I'm still a fitness guy, right? It's not like I'm a hypocrite. I should be in more shape. No. I weigh more. A young Isaac attempts to cross the grass lines, but also attempts not to get stabbed in the face by a bush. Can he do it?
I'm a bird.
He says he's a bird. Scurry! Scurry! I thought I was a fitness guy, dude.
I got about that for a while.
Look at this man. Wow. Wow. I wish Kylie was here so she could hype you up. Ooh.
I took it out of my bag.
Can you
I
use your
just got
knife?
into Harvard.
You could use your knife.
Pour up.
Sleeping got 3 more hours.
Yeah.
I couldn't go back to sleep. I was just so awake. I was like, fuck.
Yeah.
I think we slept until like 7 in the morning.
Yeah, but I'm saying I woke up at like midnight to pee, and I didn't know it was that like early in the night. And I was
He
like,
woke up to pee and then got 7 more hours after that, dude.
fantastic.
It got 6 yesterday.
I just need 6. I think 6 hours is the money.
That's enough sleep.
6.5 would be.
Tiny
As long as you get a good dinner.
8.5 would be cool too, though.
That's not cool. If I sleep
Hey, it's getting a
6.5,
little
I'll
cold,
feel a
though.
lot better than I would if I
Does that
slept.
shower place have Wi-Fi?
What?
Does that shower place have Wi-Fi?
It's right next
Yeah.
to Wi-Fi.
Why are you so concerned with Wi-Fi, dude?
Say something cool, Jack. Come on.
I can't think of anything, bro.
Cool.
I can't think of anything.
You can't think of anything?
Can't think of anything. I'm sorry. I can't think of it.
Unacceptable.
Give me time.
The end.
I mean, this will be the last bowl. This is my 4th one.
Yeah, I think I got like 4, so 3 or 4.